Hey everybody, another update on be the first actual update on the truck. I got everything kind of mocked up. I do have the chassis and the engine all glued together. And this one actually wired up. I also did a fuel line and all that. Figured I'd start it off here in the garage. Kind of got the Iron Man theme going. Didn't mean to, but looks good on it. But that's what it ends up reminding me of. This truck looks pretty good in the two-tone. But let me get it out of here. Take a look at it. So like I said, it's just mocked up. The cool thing about it, I don't know if you could see it. Now this is the Testors one coat lacquer Mystic Maroon. Now I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but the metal flake in this, instead of being silver, is gold. And with being red and gold two-tone, it really ties the two together. So it gives it a nice look overall, which is pretty cool. So there's that. And this kit, I think quite a few of you guys have actually built this kit. Here's the side. I got them base coat. I'm gonna do a wash on that. Nothing's glued on. I got the bed. This part's glued on. I'll have to clear it. Clear this part in the bed. I'll mask off the wood. That way the wood's not super glossy. Got some hoses in there. I did do a initial wash on this. Just your tans, your blacks. Got in there. I haven't done a wash on those yet. For the motor, so the chassis went together really well. I got to paint the shocks. I glued those in before when I painted everything black. So everything that's painted black was all glued at one time. That way I can get a nice bond on it. So I got to detail the shocks and maybe detail a couple other things. But there's what the bottom looks like. Got the spare tire in. And then here is the motor. So I drilled out the intakes, painted the inside red and silver on the top. And gave the carb a nice gold color. You got the plugs all ran. Got the coil in there. Distributor. I went with a smaller gauge wire. I got some smaller gauge wire than the other ones I've done. This one's actual scale size. There's a fuel pump. I did a fuel line. Did like a fuel rail. It's a little big, but it'll work. And then I did the fuel lines going to each carb. That was kind of a pain, but looks pretty good. I got the horn, I got the grill. Radiator needs a black wash on it, give it some depth. And then the exhaust, I gotta do the wash that I normally do for that. But I got that pretty well. Now the interior, I do not have the interior glued in yet. I did some details on the firewall. I'm going to do these black. And then I'll do a wash to try to hide some of the mistakes I got on there. But the interior just slides right out. So the dash and the gauges, I still got to wash them. Hope pop out some the gauge or the detail on the gauges. A lot of them, they had that Bakelite for the centerpiece. It was a creamy color. Every once in a while you'd see a chrome one. Gold shift knob on there. And most of the doors were all one single color except for where this toe kick is. That was, you know, usually tan or brown with a black floor. So I tried to look at a lot of pictures to base this on. You know, if I was doing this and without looking at pictures, I'd think that that oval down there would be the color of the seats, but it wasn't. The only things that were really any different was the door handles and the window cranks. And on the dashes, usually they were body color with a very subtle gauge cluster, just like this. So I didn't want to get too crazy. I want to try to keep it towards the original of the pictures that I've seen. And that just slides right in there. Do a little touch up because I think I can see that when it's all put together. But other than that, everything's going together real well. Just got a lot of little details to do. This one I gotta paint these silver. I don't want to keep putting them in and out of the little spots. They hinge very well, but you know, you do it one too many times and then you end up breaking it. But I gotta clear it all, and then I can take it apart again, put the windows in, or I buff it, then put the windows in, and all that. It's gold paint. It is a Model Master Testers, I can't remember. But it does not want to stick to that plastic. Like if you put a piece of tape on there and pull real hard, it'll pull that gold right off. So fingers crossed the clear will make it stronger. I don't think it will. Probably just make it so it pulls more of it off. But hopefully it lasts long while it's on the shelf. If not, I might just not glue anything together because it does sit on there rather well without having to glue it. And then if it 2 years, 3 years down the line it goes to hell, I'll just redo it. So alright, there's another update. I've been trying to stay out of the auto room a little bit. I've already pretty much live in here. I don't want to make the shutdown make me completely permanent stuck in this room. Sounds like I will actually be down longer than what we forecasted before. Seems like everybody's going to be down longer, but you got to do what you got to do, and it seems like this bug is a lot worse than a lot of people have thought. And seems like it don't have no choice on who it kills. I mean, a lot of people keep on saying the elderly, but I don't know. I hear some people are in the teens and 30s and stuff like that, so don't seem like that's 100% true. So just everybody protect each other, protect your family, and protect yourself. Yeah, when we get through this years from now, we'll all be making jokes about it because you know, we all survived it. And it'll just be a memory, but right now it'll be hard. And then for all them people who are criminals that get stuck in jail, we still got the options. We still can do whatever we want. We're just still stuck at home. Could you imagine being locked up in jail for anything a long time? How crazy them people end up going in prison. Alright. Well, you guys take care. Have a good one. Bye.